Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thanks again for joining me here. Hope you're having a fantastic day. We're taking a look here at CRO Coin, seeing what's going on. We're right here trending closer to the lower 9-cent range. I wouldn't say this is extremely concerning, but it's also not great. We kind of got rejected out by this resistance level there on the 20 and the 50-day SMA, and then we haven't been able to kind of have this bounce off of 0.618, which was anticipated. Okay, so again, we got to shift gears, kind of think about this in the big picture and work our way down. Okay, so again, if you're new to the channel, I'm not a financial advisor. I hope you can learn something here today. If you do want to become a better trader, again, cryptocash.tech is a site linked down below. You can join the likes of our phenomenal traders over here. Super happy to hear this is working well for you, K-Kroll. Great job on your Solana trade there. You are very, very welcome. Also, excellent short there, Medu, and obviously no worries, phenomenal long there from Bitcoin. We took some nice profit off Bitcoin yesterday too. Well, we took an entry at 37,450 and got out at 38.3. So that was a nice little 18% on 11x leverage trade. These are 5x leverage trades here with my my scalping community here, my scalping bot basically, the group. And that's a Solana 38%, Matic 12%, and there's a few others as well, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, we continue to take some profits there. So all is well. All right, what we're going to talk about here is on the daily. Just to quickly clarify, we're still below the 20-day SMA. Yeah, that's mostly a bearish sign. It's not like an extremely bearish sign, just kind of letting us know the momentum has effectively shifted. We've closed 3 days underneath that level. Not a great sign. We can see money flow index is coming down. RSI is coming closer to retest 50 on the RSI. So those are mostly disadvantageous. We're slightly bullish here, mostly bearish here, mostly bearish here. We add that all together, that is one reason to not take a trade, okay? That's a macro reason to not take a trade, at least to the upside for now. That said, we take a look at the 4-hour time frame here. We can see we got the RSI underneath 50. It's always a bearish sign. Until we break up above that, we haven't broken bullish yet. We can see here, of course, we got the money flow index still very low, so money is not flowing into this coin. You see, look at this moving average. We can kind of zoom in here. We're still staying below that 20-day SMA on the volume. That's not a great sign at all. Taking a look at the moving average convergence divergence, whole lot of nothing, just kind of drawing dead. Those are also more reasons not to consider taking a trade. So we've gotten a lot of reasons here so far not to take a trade. Are there any reasons to take a trade? Well, I honestly cannot see anything here because the fact that we're still working below the descending trend line, it's not fantastic. We look at the 1-hour time frame here, and we can kind of summarize that TD sequential isn't giving us any overextensions or underextensions. We're pretty much just going sideways here. Okay, that's not a great sign either. Take a look at the cloud. We've broken officially below the cloud, but we don't have full-on confirmation. Lagging spends soon to become free and clear the price action. Conversion lines below the baseline. So to make this simple, this is telling us we have potential for a short position here soon. Okay, again, a lot of this hinges on how Bitcoin does. If Bitcoin continues to drop lower, then we will probably see the same thing from CRO. You got to recognize today's a fairly red day, and it's not all that, like, Bitcoin isn't doing all that bad, right? It's like, what the hell is happening here? Well, a lot of it has to do with Bitcoin dominance being up. As we can kind of see, Bitcoin dominance is coming up. And of course, altcoins are decreasing in value. So if we take a look at altcoins, significant drop to altcoin dominance. So those are all disadvantageous signs for alts, of course. So just generally speaking here, if Bitcoin continues to retrace down to like the low 36,000 range, then CRO will continue to drop as well. Okay, so keep that in mind. We've got a decent amount of drop here potential as well. In other words, something I wanted to note here on the 4-hour time frame, if I'm not mistaken, it shows that we have some liquidity here. So keep in mind, still a lot of liquidity left to be swept down as low as 8 to 8.5 cents. Okay. So I'm not saying the price is going to drop to that level, but if Bitcoin corrects itself to say the 37,000, we'll probably see this level here at about 8.6, 8.7 retested. So I would wait for a better opportunity here if you're considering a long right now. If you're considering a short, do it soon and keep it tight. That's all there is to it. All right, folks, I hope this made sense for you. I described this correctly. Please do me a favor, like the video, greatly appreciate that. Helps us grow the channel. Also, comment below, let me know what your position is with CRO. Great to hear it. And if you want to, again, become a better trader, cryptocash.tech is a site linked down below. You can jump on over here to work with the likes of some awesome traders. All right, folks, hope you all have a great rest of your day. Oh, very last thing, sorry. Again, tomorrow is the cutoff period for this campaign here for Bitunix. You get a nice little $20 bonus for trading futures. Link down below. If you use my link, you'll register for that and automatically be eligible for future trading competitions. And we will start having those soon once we get enough volume. All right, folks. Again, just some friendly advice. No KYC, no VPN. Bitunix is a phenomenal exchange. Have a great rest of your day. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.